Example number 7 is like example number 6, but there's a subtle difference here. Suppose a firm just paid a dividend of $4 a share. They anticipate growing the dividend at a constant rate of 3% per year indefinitely. Currently, the stock is priced at $52 a share. Now, given this information, according to our models, what is the required rate of return for this stock? So again, we're solving for R. We're assuming that the dividends are growing at a constant rate G, so we're going to use the Gordon growth model. We need to solve algebraically for R to figure out what the required rate of return is. Notice, we're given the share price of $52 a share. We're making the assumption that the market has priced this stock correctly, and given that price, we can figure out what the required rate of return by shareholders is. It's important to note that the firm just paid a dividend. Is that D0 or D1? So in the previous problem, the firm was anticipating paying a dividend in the upcoming year, so that was D1. But in this example, the firm has just paid a dividend of $4 a share. So $4 a share is not D0, it's D1. Is not D1, it's D0 rather. Okay. So given this information, we're going to solve algebraically for R, the dividend discount model. We get a required rate of return which is equal to the ratio of the dividend to the price, that's the dividend yield, plus G, the capital gains yield. Also note that D1 is equal to D0 times 1 plus G. So here over in Excel, D0 has been given to be $4. D1 is going to be equal to D0 times 1.03 or 1 plus G. That's just telling me that the dividend is going to grow by 3% this year. When I solve for that, I get a dividend in year 1 of $4.12. This information, with this information, I can easily calculate the required rate of return, which is equal to D1, which I just calculated, divided by the price that is currently given. So the dividend yield plus the growth rate of the dividends G, or the capital gains yield, and R is going to be equal to 10.92%.